Actually, I love doing couples classes. It's the only thing I like to make sure of with couples is, did I send you the thing about the flowology mindset? Leave your judgment outside the door. Choose your language consciously and make it empowering. Compare yourself to yourself. It's especially that third one, because sometimes, like, if couples are like really following the mindset, they can celebrate each other. If they are not, they end up sometimes feeling shitty because their partner can do something they can't do. So what's important to me is to encourage the upward spiral as opposed to that downward contraction that doesn't help us grow, you know? So as long as you guys were committed to staying in the celebration of your successes and being in the process as a practice, not a destination. This is not a drive-through meal. This is a lifelong journey, you know? And as long as you guys were in that mindset, then yes, absolutely. I had one of the most amazing experiences. The very first year I was teaching, I had a husband and a wife, and the wife was really sick and she was going to dialysis like once a week. So she really had physical limitations. And he was my martial artist. He was learning super fast and she was really struggling. And at the time, I was doing like a 12-week boot camp, not a 14-week boot camp. And he got the weave class 4. She didn't get the weave until class 11. But like literally they both were in tears because she stayed in the practice and he stayed supporting and celebrating her where she was at. And she was able to celebrate his success even though she wasn't capable. Like, it was a physiological limitation.